Hi and welcome back. Let's learn how to automatically record Steam games on your Mac and Windows PC. Recording your gameplay has become almost essential, whether you want to share highlights, create content, or simply revisit your best gaming moments. Fortunately, Steam makes it easier than ever to capture gameplay automatically on both Mac and Windows PCs. Automatic recording ensures you never miss unexpected achievements, funny glitches, or intense victories. It runs quietly in the background, capturing key moments while you focus entirely on your gameplay. That said, let's get started. So, first, you have to launch the Steam app on your Mac or Windows PC. And then you have to hit the Steam menu located in the top left corner of the screen. After that, you have to choose Settings or Preferences option in the drop-down menu. Then you have to scroll down a bit and choose the game recording option located in the left sidebar. And finally, you have to choose Record in Background option and you're all set. From now on, Steam will automatically record your gameplay when you start playing so you don't miss those unexpected moments. Keep in mind that the last 120 minutes of video will be kept in a temporary format for you to replay or save as permanent clips. Later, if you ever want to switch back to the manual recording, just head over to the same game recording setting and choose Record Manually option. Note that in order to manually record a game in Steam, you will need to use Ctrl plus F11 keyboard shortcut. Automatically recording a Steam gameplay is a simple yet powerful way to capture every memorable moment without any interruption at all. One set of the system works seamlessly in the background, thereby allowing you to focus on enjoying your games rather than worrying about recording controls. By using the right settings and tools, you can ensure smooth performance and high quality footage on both Mac and Windows PCs. Now that you have unlocked this pretty helpful feature, make the most of it as and when the need arrives, and I'll catch you up in the next one.